Alarm. To dream of an alarm represents a sense of urgency in a relationship or situation. A conflict you or someone else is experiencing that requires attention. Anxiety or stress may have reached an upper limit. Alternatively, an alarm may represent a breaching of boundaries or limits. You or someone else may have gone too far with something. Alarm clock. To dream of an alarm clock represents a nagging reminder for urgent action. You may have responsibilities or people that require your attention. Alternatively, you may fear not having enough time to meet deadlines or accomplish a goal. By grace of Christ, Joshua David Solomon have answers to your dreams. You are always welcome. Subscribe for more. Thank you.